Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I'll show you how to add borders around cells in Excel. It's super simple. Let's get started. First, highlight the cells where you want to add borders. This could be a single cell, a group of cells, or an entire table. Go to the Home tab. Look for the Borders icon, a square with lines, in the toolbar. Click the drop-down arrow to see different border styles. Choose Outside Borders for a box around your selection, or All Borders to outline each cell. Need a thicker or double border for totals? Choose Thick Bottom Border or Double Bottom Border. Want custom borders? Click More Borders to change thickness, colour, or even add diagonal lines. Made a mistake? Use Erase Border to remove specific sections. And that's it. Borders can make your data more readable and professional. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.